Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are all doing great. Sorry for not uploading any videos for 4 days. Actually, it was a busy schedule for me. It was extremely busy actually, but here I am now with the crash strategy for December cycle that we will start from one Monday onwards. So in this video, we will discuss that how we can give our best. But before starting this strategy, I would request you to everybody who have subscribe the channel or not, do subscribe the channel, share to more and more student, and also like the session. And any PDF notes, doubt clearing, do join the Telegram channel. Link is given in bio and description. Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for your support. Let's start. Actually, we all know that how bad the June exam was. It was totally disappointing for everybody, even not only the beginner, but the one who have already experienced, the one who have already appeared. So whatever happened, it was just the past. Nothing is going to happen with the thinking that June was like this and like that. But your strategy should be smarter now. So here, what you have to do, from mid-July to December, we have 4.5 months, or you can just say 4 months we have. So in these 4 months, you have to break your units. That is the 10 units. And you know that how NTA went to in depth, what type of question they have created for you, what type of concept, term, writers they have brought for you. So this 10 unit you have to finish in this 4 month before till November you have to do this, because December you will have your exam. December or January, for the past experience we all have. So but our aim should be only 4 months. Okay, so how you can do, your focus should be smart prioritization. Not all units are equally weighted. You all know, you all have experience. So accordingly, you all have to prepare. Okay. Here I will share this PDF on Telegram. You can have your own idea with this. You can change as per your schedule, as per your time limit. But here I'm discussing for everybody. So in phase 1, what you have to do, that is week 1, you all have to break the 10 units into high, medium and low priority based on PYQs and June 2024 exam trends we had experienced. Okay, 10 units we have to break the high, medium and low priority based. And after breaking the units, what you have to do, you have to start with the high priorities, because once we finish this, we can start revising. Once we finish these high priority units, we can revise them with preparing the medium and low priority units. So this is what I thought, but you can prepare according to you. Unit 2, you have poetry, fiction, criticism, theory, literary theory and terms concept, Indian writing. Do not think like this that NTA has not given the priority of British literature, Indian literature, Dalit writers. What they can do in December, we can't analyze, we cannot imagine, we cannot predict actually. But I just want to tell you one thing, that your priority should be your priority should all 10 units, because we can't miss anything now. What we have experienced, we can't miss anything. What I have observed, and you have also. So we will start with the high priorities, but do remember that you do not have to miss anything. So this should be your aim. After that, you have drama, culture studies and world literature. With this, we will prepare the high priorities units that we have already finished. I will tell you how at the end of the video, so watch till the end. Okay, then we have low priorities unit, non-fiction prose, English in India, and ELT, the new thing that all you have to be aware. After that, what you have to do, everyone? You have to identify, after finishing all 10 units, you have to identify that how much you have understood about the specific writers, unit-wise terms, concept, literary theories, etc. Then you can identify your strong, weak points, and after identifying, you have to prepare a timeline of specific writers with their age, period, timeline, and their work, year, everything. That should be for everyone, but especially for the beginners and the one who feels that I am weak. So that's why I have added this. This should be your aim. Phase 2, what should be your aim? After analyzing and preparing all this, the unit wise will be continue, but phase 2, you have to maintain daily study structure that will be around 5 hours a day. If you are busy, if you are working professional, if you have joined somewhere, but somehow any which way you have to manage your time for your study, not 5 but 4 hours a day, you must manage your time for your study. So this should be your time for your study. Here, the one who have time management problem, this thing you can take. And also, while preparing weekly, Saturday, Sunday, your aim should be to take mini test around 25 to 25, 50 questions, unit wise. And every Sunday, what you have to do, whatever you have studied all the week, throughout the week you have studied, what do you have to do? Revise. On Sunday, you have to revise, because this is the most important thing. Every Sunday, Saturday, you will have the mini test of 35 to 50 questions, or you can include as per your efficiency. This is very important. How much you have your efficiency, you can increase the questions. And Sunday will be only for revision. In bullet form, that means you have to filter out what you have prepared so far. Filtered revision. And the one most important thing, to get in depth, read one original literary text in detail, that is Eliot's essay, Woolf's essay, or any other short stories, dramas, novel, the quote they give in exam, one liner they give in exam. You have to read one original text so that you can get familiar. This should be your priority also. After phase 2, phase 3, unit wise you have to plan July, mid to July end. That was the whole plan, and now we are going to start from this. Unit 2 in week 1 of July, unit 2 poetry plus British poetry, the writers, Indian and American, all the poets from these countries we have to prepare. Unit 6, you have literary theory, post-structuralism, feminism, and post-colonialism. This is the weekly unit-wise plan for December cycle. We are taking the high priorities first, then we will go to the medium and the low one. Week 2, you have Unit 3 fiction, including novels, short stories, themes. Unit 5, you have classical to romantic, criticism, Plato to Coleridge. Do not think that what I have included here just only will matter, but you have to include everyone. Apart from this, week 3, you have August. Unit 7, Indian writing plus fiction plus poetry. Unit 6, literary theory, eco-criticism, queer, Marxism, everything will go in this. Week 4, you have Unit 1 drama, that was the medium, Shakespearean to absurdism. After that, you will go, after finishing those in August, paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, basics concept. Because if you want to increase your score for paper 2, you have to prioritize your paper 1 also. Combinedly, you will score and combinedly, you will win. September, what you have to do? Week 1, Unit 5, 20th century criticism, new criticism, historicism, what we have, we will finish in week 1 in September. Week 2, Unit 8, diaspora, world literature, including all the Aboriginal writers from world literature. Week 3, you have Unit 9, English in India plus pedagogy you can take, and week 4, Unit 10, ELT methods plus grammar. Grammar you can, linguist term you can take. Apart from this, here, the thing that I have added for you, so you have to start full revision of high priority units every Sunday of September. We from Saturday till Sunday, Saturday to Sunday, the one that I had mentioned here, you have to go accordingly, or you can prepare or plan as per your time. The one thing that I have mentioned here now, Saturday and Sunday, yes, here Saturday mini test and revision on Sunday, full revision. Unit wise you can take. October, what you have to do? Repetition, full thrust with repetition week. You have week 1, PYQs unit wise, the way in exam appears. Week 2, you have 2 mock tests plus feedback review. This will help you while if you will study in a group. You can join Telegram channels, or if you have group circle, you can take feedback from them. Week 3, complete paper 1 preparation and mock test. Week 4, what you will do? Topic wise deep revision and plus notes you have to prepare. I have added the strategy for paper 1 also, so that you can increase your score in both paper 1 and paper 2, because that would be your ultimate goal, to increase the score. Use active recall plus spaced repetition. Repetition in the sense you have to revise no matter how. No matter how, you cannot miss, you have to revise. How? You have to focus on keywords, codes, and terminologies. Major things that NT asks and try to trick every student. November, December, we have final year, that what you have to do here. I hope it will go according to your timeline, or I will share the PDF on Telegram. You can change as per your time, as per your schedule. So November week 1, mock paper 2, mock test you have to take paper 2 of mock test, and paper 1 in alternative days you can have. November, in week 2 of November, high priority topic revision with MCQs to increase your efficiency. Efficiency, speed. It is very important. Efficiency, speed. I missed the C. November week 3, you have to work on your weak area with smart revision sessions. November week 4, literature plus theory revisions and short concept notes that you have prepared yourself. And December week 1, you have 3 full length mock tests plus light review that will help you or boost your confidence by revising. Revising tools, you have mock test, PYQs, and also doubt session, doubt clearing session with your peers. Group discussion, group study, it will help you to increase your chances, it will increase your efficiency, it will increase your confidence, it will boost your confidence so that you can able to analyze the concept by yourself. So this should be your aim. And then finally, you have to create one master document for theories, literary terms, quotes, periods, and authors. This is what they keep asking. Here they will give you concept term about the writers, quotes, literary terms, concept, quotes, from the novels, drama, poems. They will ask you periods and authors. You have to identify that specific writers belong to which period, what writers, the specific work, year, birth date, publication date. All these you have to prepare a document. PDF you can create. I will share on a Telegram channel. So this should be your aim. This is how you can start preparing with this course crash strategy for December cycle. Everybody, do not miss anything, but prepare everything. I will prepare notes on minor writers, including from all ages, minor writers. But one thing I would like to tell you that we all know, we all have experienced what we have seen and faced in this June cycle, but do not think that they are not going to ask anything about the major writers now. But no, it was, you can say that it was their trick. They can do anything. But as a student of being a student of English literature, our priority obviously should be the major concept, major terms, writers, etc. We cannot miss, we cannot deny. But it was what I analyzed, it was like they wanted to check our knowledge, that how much we are aware about the minor writers also. So this could be the thing. So do not think this way, that you have to focus on minor works only. No, but the major work should be your priority. But with that, minors should be in your acknowledgement, your knowledge. So this is what I wanted to discuss with you. I'm extremely sorry again for not uploading the videos for 4 days. I hope you like this session. Do subscribe the channel, everybody, and share to more and more students, and do join the Telegram channel for PDF and notes. This channel is going to be a one-stop solution for English literature, UGC NET English literature. I will focus on only this, and I want. Okay, we will discuss. From Monday, I will start the class onwards as per this plan. So everybody get ready. Do prepare your strategy and plan. The one who are watching my videos, watching through my. And one thing that I was forgetting, one thing that you all have to do not depend on any videos or any channel or anybody, but one thing that you have to prepare, that is, I have already told you, self-study. Self-study will make you win, will make you crack your UGC NET, will make you get your score higher. So self-study should be your ultimate goal, everyone. Do remember, self-study is going to be very, very extremely helpful. You can say, do not miss this. The 4-hour study will be solely for you, basis on your self-reflection, what you have observed. So this thing that you cannot miss. Self-study is very important. Do not miss this. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support so far. Do subscribe the channel, share to more and more students, and keep watching, keep preparing. Take care and bye-bye.